In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload files to an attachment field in Airtable. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, you'll want to open your browser. Any browser will work, whether you're using Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Once your browser is open, go to Airtable. You can type airtable.com into the address bar, and it will take you straight to the login page. If you're not already signed in, click the Login button and enter your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard, which shows all of your existing bases. Now, open the base that you want to edit. Bases are essentially your projects, and each one contains multiple tables. Click on the base name, and it will load the tables you've created. Next, open the specific table where you want to upload your files. This might be a table for project assets, client invoices, or any other data that needs file attachments. Every table is made up of records and fields, and you're going to be working with a field that is set up to accept attachments. Your next step is to locate an attachment field in that table. An attachment field looks a little different from regular text or number fields. It usually has a paperclip icon or a placeholder that says, Add Attachment. If you don't already have an attachment field in your table, you can add one by clicking the plus sign on the right side of the field headers and selecting Attachment from the list. Once you've found it, click into the attachment cell for the specific record you want to add files to. An attachment cell is the cell that sits at the intersection of a record row and the attachment field column. When you click the cell, a small window or drop-down will appear, giving you a few options. Click the Upload File button. Your computer's File Explorer or Finder will open, allowing you to browse your device. From there, select one or more files you want to upload. You can hold down the Control key on Windows or the Command key on Mac to select multiple files at once. After you've made your selection, confirm the choice, and Airtable will begin processing. Wait just a moment for the files to upload. The speed will depend on your internet connection and the size of your files, but Airtable will show progress bars so you know it's working. Once the upload is complete, Airtable will automatically attach the uploaded files to that record. You'll see thumbnails or file names appear in the cell, and you can click on them to preview or download later. And that's it. You've successfully uploaded files to an attachment field in Airtable. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.